Fluorescent light bulbs require a ballast to operate properly. The ballast serves several crucial functions. Firstly, it provides the initial high voltage necessary to strike an arc within the fluorescent tube. This arc is what excites the phosphor coating on the inside of the glass tube, causing it to emit visible light. Secondly, after the arc is established, the ballast limits and regulates the current flowing through the fluorescent lamp. Without this current regulation, the lamp would draw excessive current, quickly overheat, and fail. In some cases, it could even pose a safety hazard. Thirdly, different types of ballast exist, each with its own characteristics and advantages. Traditional magnetic ballasts are relatively simple in design and have been used for many years. However, they are less energy efficient and can produce a noticeable hum. Electronic ballasts, on the other hand, are more complex but offer improved energy efficiency, reduce noise, and often provide instant start capabilities. These electronic ballasts use solid-state circuitry to control the voltage and current supplied to the lamp. Fourthly, the absence of a ballast would prevent a fluorescent lamp from starting or operating correctly. If a fluorescent tube were directly connected to a power source without a ballast, the initial high voltage required to initiate the arc would be missing. Even if the arc was somehow established, the unregulated current would quickly damage the lamp. Fifthly, compact fluorescent lamps, often called CFL, typically have the ballast integrated into the base of the bulb. This makes them a convenient replacement for incandescent bulbs in many fixtures. However, it's important to note that even though the ballast is integrated, it's still a necessary component for the CFL to function. Sixthly, the specific voltage and current requirements of a fluorescent lamp vary depending on its wattage and design. The ballast is designed to match these specific requirements to ensure optimal performance and lamp life. Seventhly, when replacing a fluorescent lamp, it is important to ensure that the new lamp is compatible with the existing ballast. Using an incompatible lamp and ballast combination can result in poor performance, reduced lamp life, or even damage to the ballast. Eighthly, troubleshooting fluorescent lighting problems often involves checking the ballast. If a fluorescent lamp fails to light, the ballast is a common suspect. Testing the ballast with a multimeter can help determine if it is functioning correctly. Ninthly, some modern lighting systems use LED lamps designed to replace fluorescent tubes. These LED lamps often have integrated drivers that perform a similar function to a ballast, regulating the voltage and current supplied to the LED. These LED replacements may or may not require the existing ballast to be bypassed or removed depending on the specific design. Tenthly, understanding the role of the ballast in a fluorescent lighting system is essential for proper installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting. The ballast is a critical component that ensures the efficient and safe operation of fluorescent lamps.